People don't receive the goods you send to them, or you don't receive the goods people send to you because of this. Welcome to my channel. Call me Tendon Simplice. If you're interested by logistics, supply chain, transportation, or shipping, you are at the right place. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, you activate the notification button, you like our posts, and you comment it so that you can be aware of all our videos we are going to post on our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important aspect, which is the reason why you don't receive the goods people send to you, or why people don't receive the goods you send to them. There is one main reason behind this, which is wrong information, or the absence of the right information on the goods. So what are those information you need to make sure are available on your goods when you want to send it, being it by air, by sea, or by road? The first information that needs to be available on your goods when you want to send it is the name. The name of the receiver, very important. Why the name of the receiver? The name of the receiver enables the shipping company or the transporter to be able to identify who is to receive the good at the end of the day, or when it reaches its final destination. The second information is the phone number of this customer or this company that has to receive the goods. Why is the phone number important? The phone number enables the company or the shipping company to be able to contact the person when the goods arrive, in order for the person to enter in possession of his or her goods. That is why the phone number of the person is very important. And in today's world, not only the calling number is important, but also the WhatsApp number of the person. The third or the next information that needs to be present on the goods is the country. In which country is the receiver? Very important. Is the receiver in Cameroon? Is the receiver in Nigeria? Is the receiver in Ivory Coast? Is the receiver in Sudan, in Pakistan, in India, in America? The country is very, very important, because the country enables the shipping company to know how to sort the good when the shipping time comes. The next information also is the town. If the person, for example, is in Nigeria, in Cameroon, in Pakistan, in India, in which town are they? Is it in Mumbai? Is it in Douala? Is it in Lagos? Or is it in Kashmir? The town also is very, very important. Also, after putting the town, also make sure the person's address is available on the goods, in case the company has the means to offer door-to-door delivery. This is also a very important aspect we don't need to play with. And then finally, the last information that needs to be present on the good is the customer's email. Why the email? It might happen sometimes that we are not able to reach the person through its calling or its WhatsApp number. So the email also is a means through which the person can be used. And we all know in the professional world, a lot of companies work with emails. So that is why including also the email address of the person or the company that has to receive the good is very important. Let me add a gift. Apart from the receiver's information that are present on the goods, it is also very important we make sure the sender's information are also present on the goods. Why do we need to make sure the sender's information are present on the goods? This is simply because in case the goods reaches the final destination and the shipping company or the transporter is unable to reach the receiver of the good, he can contact the sender of the good, and the sender in return now can try to reach the receiver. So please, when you are sending goods from one place to another, make sure the following information I just mentioned are available on your goods. If this information are available on the goods, that is the receiver's information and also the sender's information, it makes things very easy, and it becomes very difficult for you not to receive the goods that have been sent for you, or for people not to receive the goods that have been sent for them. In conclusion, let's help shipping companies or transportation companies to also help us. If the right information are being inserted or written on the goods, it will help shipping companies to deliver all the goods they receive and enable them to hold less or no stock. And if this is done, it enables them to reduce their costs and increase their profit. And you will agree with me that if their cost is being reduced and they make more profit, it pushes them to expand. And if they expand, they will need more people. If more people are needed, it pushes them to recruit, and if they recruit these people, it helps to reduce the rate of unemployment in the world. Coming now to the side of the sender or the receivers of the good, it enables the receiver or the sender of the good to be able to make sure the good reaches its final destination. And at the end of the day, everybody comes out of the game as a winner. It was $10 in place. If you're interested by logistics, supply chain, transportation, or shipping, you are at the right place. Make sure you leave us a like, you activate the notification button, and you help us share our videos so that together we can grow and achieve more. Thank you for following.